Here we are removing all debris and shine from the natural nail. You can do this step using a hand file or an e-file. You want to gently shape your free edge to your desired shape and make sure that all shine is removed from the nail. Next, using Fuzion Cleanser, remove all dust and oil from the nail. Now we're going to apply bond to the entire surface of the natural nail. This is a 1 to 2 coat step and requires no cure time. We recommend gently scrubbing it into the surface of the natural nail. This is Construct. Construct can be used in 2 ways. Either as a base layer under hard gel, which will virtually eliminate lifting, separation, and surface breakdown on your troubled clients, or you can use Construct as seen here to create a durable gel overlay for your gel manicures. When doing this, apply Construct to the whole nail, then before curing, float a moderate amount of additional Construct to create the structure of the nail. Once you're happy, cure this for 60 seconds UV LED. If you are working on a nail that's a little bit larger or needs more structure, you can use Construct in 2 applications, as seen here. Go in and float a little more product until you've achieved your desired look. Once it's fully cured, cleanse your dispersion layer off using Fuzion Cleanser. Now we're going to go in and shape the nail a little bit, perfecting your free edge shape and buffing the surface to remove any high spots or imperfections. This step can be done using a hand file or an e-file. It's your choice. Our last step is gloss. At this point, you could add color on top of your structured nail, or for a more natural look, keep it just as it is. Gloss is a new tack-free formula that is flexible, so it prevents any cracking and separation of your top coat.